Hello guys, I think you have watched our thumbnail, that is do not buy iPhone SE 2020 without watching this video. Yes guys, I am confident that by the end of this video you will be in a position whether you have to buy this one or not. So without any delay, let us start our new tech episode. So guys, at first if you look at its display, it has 4.7 Retina IPS LCD display where it can show up to 16 million colors. It comes with 16:9 aspect ratio and the number of pixels will be around 750 cross 1334. The density would be 326 ppi with unstrengthened glass and also with oleophobic coating. The maximum brightness of this mobile will be around 625 nits. Moving on to processor, iPhone SE 2020 comes with A13 Bionic chip and also it is 7nm build processor. The CPU will have hexa-core where dual cores are clicked around 2.65 GHz Lightning and remaining 4 comes with 1.8 GHz Thunder. iPhone SE 2020 is available in 3 variants. The first one is 3GB plus 64GB, second one is 3GB plus 128GB and the higher variant is 3GB plus 256GB. If we come back to camera module, it is designed with 12 megapixel camera at back and the aperture is f1.8. It is also wide angle camera and has optical image stabilization where a dual LED dual tone flash is located beside the camera. We can able to record videos at 2K with 30 and 60 fps, 1080 with 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps and also it comes with stereo sound recording. Moving on to front facing camera, it has 7 megapixel camera and also with aperture f2.2. The features of this camera is face detection, HDR and panorama support. We can record video at 1080p at the rate of 30 frames per second. Moving on to power source, it has non-removable lithium-ion battery. The battery of iPhone SE 2020 comes with 1821 milliamps and it is supported up to 18 watts fast charging. We can charge 50% of its battery within 30 minutes, where it is also comes with wireless charging. Moving on to network, it has nano SIM slot and also comes with eSIM facility. It is also certified under IP67 water and dust resistance. Moving on to security department, iPhone SE 2020 has fingerprint scanner and it is front mounted, where Face ID is missing in this budget variant. iPhone SE 2020 may be available in 3 colors, that is black, white and red. The SAR value is 1.77 watt per kg and it is head SAR value and the body SAR value is about 1.6 watt per kg. The cost of this mobile is 399 USD, whereas in European market it has priced around 419 euros. If we convert this price into INR, it would be around 30,000, but surprisingly it has priced around 42,000 in India. Finally, let us discuss about pros and cons of this iPhone SE 2020. Firstly, let us move to iPhone SE 2020 pros. In pros, the first one is it comes with A13 Bionic chip, which is the latest processor of Apple. Second one is it also supports wireless charging. Third one is it is capable of recording 2K video at the rate 30 and 60 frames per second. And the fourth one is it comes with stereo speakers and the fifth one is it also supports NFC. Moving on to personally think it has overpriced in India. The second con is it has same battery capacity as iPhone 8. The third one is recently most of the people turned down this mobile and they found that it has similar components which are present in iPhone 8. And the fourth one is due to size of the screen we may not get smooth experience while gaming. Fifth one is recently few rumors are spreading that the clock speed of this mobile is decreased if we compare to iPhone 11 series. So guys, finally in my opinion, if you belong to US you can buy iPhone SE 2020. If you belong to India, it is better to add 2 to 3K and you can buy iPhone XR where it comes with Face ID as well as it may have good battery life when compared to iPhone SE 2020. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, just comment below. so that I can clarify your doubts.